So it's case time again. We're gonna talk about my favorite case at the moment, and that is the Nomad case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Comes for 11, comes with Pixel 4, and all the popular phones, they make it. They use leather with some other things, and we're gonna get into why I love this case so much. But it's not perfect, but we'll dive into all that in a minute. So if you're unfamiliar with Nomad, they make a lot of high quality accessories. Has some Kevlar cables, and on a Tesla Model 3, they have a wireless charger you can buy for that too, which is pretty cool. Today we're talking cases, more specifically for the iPhone 11 lineup. We have the Active Rugged, the Rugged, and the Rugged Folio cases. I've been using the Active Rugged cases more. There's a lot of similarities between these three, and then there's a few differences between them as well. All three of these offer 100% leather exterior, polycarbonate body, support to up to 6-foot drop, which is fine, but just everybody else is offering 8 or 10. Most drops aren't gonna be from super high, so it still covers you. As far as what's different, the Active Rugged case is using a different leather from the other ones. So it's using a Hainan leather. I'm pretty sure I'm not saying it right, but it's what I got to go for. This leather is from Germany, but this gives it the more water-resistant approach to it, adding a little bit more protection against elements. In regards to the other, it's a Horine leather. I'm pretty sure that's not right either. After a while, it will look like old, good leather, where maybe tattered, but still looks like quality leather. And last but not least, the Folio. They have a regular, this is the Rugged Folio, and there's a Rugged Tri-Folio. So the Rugged Folio offers 3 card slots and 1 slot for cash. Everything else is pretty much the same from the Rugged case. Like I said, I've used the 3 of them. I'm not the biggest fan of using my wallet as a case, so I haven't used this one as much, but I've teetered between these two. So I'm definitely enjoying it. It's fell a few times, got a few scratches, but doesn't look bad. The scratches look like, it's like one of those things like, oh, you got some scratches. Now you've added some character to your minimalist case. So yeah, there you have it. I think this case will fit the aesthetics for most people. For those who want that minimal look. For those of you who want a little bit more, thousands of other case manufacturers that can satisfy your needs. But for everybody else, this Nomad case will be the way to go. We'll have affiliate links in the description below. And let us know what you think. Let us know what case you're rocking. If there's a case that you think we should cover, sound off in the comments below. And thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. We appreciate you for doing so, and see you next video. Peace.